Hello everyone. This video is to explain the expectations for the first unit test and to make sure everybody's on the right page when it comes to this course. So once again here I click on my Math 104 online fall and here is my course homepage. Notice in here if I click the view all assignments button to get to my homework, it pulls up all of my homework assignments. Something different that was added on Sunday night was here is your Unit 1 Preliminary Topics exam. Notice your exam will be done online through my Math Lab. You have a prerequisite for every post-class assignment that came before it of a 70, and then for each post-class assignment you have the quiz, and for each quiz you have the pre-class. So basically you have to get a 70 on every assignment before you can start the exam. Now, you cannot do the quizzes after the due date. So after the 12th, which is next Friday, you will not be able to do the quizzes. So you need to get all this homework done by next Friday. And notice the test is due 9/14 at midnight, which is 2 weeks from this past Sunday or a week from next Sunday. All right, and included in this email with the video, I have included your Unit 1 review that has review problems and the answers to the review problems worked out. Okay, so make sure you go through all of these assignments, do every assignment with at least a 70. Of course, you can get 100 on every single assignment, and then go in and do the Unit 1 Preliminary Topics exam. You can only do it once, one time and one time only. So make sure when you sit down to do it that you have the time to finish it. Okay, you have started this test 0 of 1 times. There's no time limit on the test, but once you start it, you have to complete it. All right, so make sure you have a nice hour or 2 block of time so that you can complete the Unit 1 Preliminary Topics exam. Okay, if you have questions over any of this material from Unit 1, either email me or the SI, Jessica Woodstuff. If we can't answer it through an email, then we can set up a time through Google Hangouts. This is Jessica Woodstuff here. Make sure everybody adds her to your Google Plus Math 104 online circle. And if you do have questions, we can set up a date and a time when we can both meet and we can start a hangout. All right? And we can actually have a hangout and go, so right here, start a video hangout. And then if you're expecting to meet me maybe 7 o'clock on a Thursday night, you'll log into your Google Hangout. And then I'll be able to see if you're on. And right here you can send an invite. So right here you can actually go in and type in my name. Mr. Bell. And of course I can't invite myself, so that's why my name's not coming up. But if I wanted to invite maybe Jessica to get in and there's Jessica right there. So if I wanted to invite her into a Google Hangout, there it is. I hit invite and it lets her know that she is being called. All right? We can meet and talk about any question that you might have. Here's her office hours, which she will be available on Google Plus. So make sure you get on and watch this video about Jessica. She's here to help. She's taken the class in the past and done very well in it. So her and I are here to assist you when you have questions. All of your homework assignments for Unit 1 are due September 12th, and then your Unit 1 exam is due September 14th. Then you notice the next group of assignments are due the 3rd of October, and the exam will be the 5th of October. You can go ahead and work on any of this stuff right now at your own pace. It's all available. Then you have the Unit 3 stuff is due 10/24, and the test is due 10/26. And then the Unit 4 stuff will all be due on the 5th of December, and the Unit 4 exam will be the 7th of December it will be due. And then you'll have your final exam that you either have to take with me or take with the proctor, depending on where you live and the contract you signed at the beginning of the semester. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. Either emailing me through Eastern email, through Gmail. You know, you're asking instructor stuff in your homework assignments. Any of that, if you have a question, let me know and I will be very responsive to answer it. Thank you everyone, and have a wonderful day.